think we might need to measure.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yep. Yep.
You're closer. Well done.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Owen.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Hello, so we're doing a bit of a DIY today. So we're currently in the middle of making a slightly small desk for my room because my desk is a bit too big for the room, and it's going to be one that I can just put to one side as well. And then I've got a little stool now so you can just slide underneath just to get a bit more room. And then we're going to paint the bookcase that we've been making. Now the bookcase isn't going to go where we thought it was going to go because it was meant to go at the top of the stairs. We've already put the bottom half up there and it's too big. So we're going to move it into my little room, but I need the smaller desk to do that. So I'll put something else at the top there. So yeah, building a little desk, and then I'm going to paint the bookcase so I can eventually bring it inside as well.
You know what I like?
What?
We take a variety of furniture.
Yeah.
It's really down.
I think it was your idea to make the bookcase.
I know it was.
Well, being honest with you, gorgeous.
Yeah, it was completely my idea. I wanted to be able to do this sort of. Oh, we'll just make something.
Okay, it's much later in the day now. It's in the evening. We've done DIY. I actually went to an eye appointment today, which is the first eye test I've had between 17 and 20 years. My eyes are good. I am getting a prescription. I am getting glasses though, just because I find I've been in hospitality most of my life, and obviously the last kind of 3 to 4 years I've been in office job, and I have found towards the end of the day my eyes are just so tired and strained. So we booked an eye test for me today, which, like I said, first one in such a long time. They were kind of a bit reluctant to give me anything because mine's the lowest you can get in terms of prescription. But they did want to give me something because they can tell that my eyes are straining from the tests they were doing. So I'm getting glasses, which is like, I'm the last one in my family to get glasses. Everyone else has glasses, and they've had them at quite a young age, whereas me, I mean 31, still young, but in comparison to everyone else, they were had it quite young. So I'm getting glasses, but they're strictly for work and in front of the computer. So they said to me, don't wear them when driving, don't wear them on a normal basis. I've been told only when at work in front of the computer screen. So like I said, the basic bare minimum prescription you can get, which is quite nice to know well that my eyes are still kind of functioning, considering how much screen time I have, not just work, but I feel like we all do these days. The screen time is ridiculous. So yeah, that's good to know. But yeah, so it is, like I said, much later in the day. One half of the bookcase is painted nicely. We're going to do the other half next weekend. But I'm going to make dinner now, and I'm doing something slightly different. So we're trying to be a bit healthier. It's been paying off the last couple of weeks and months in terms of our health and our fitness and stuff, which is great. So I'm going to make a pizza, but in a slightly different way. So I've seen on TikTok, which is where I get most of my food inspiration from at the moment, using sweet potato as like the base. Instead of dough, use sweet potato. So I'm attempting that today. I've got mozzarella, I've got tomatoes, basil, but we're going to use sweet potato as the base. So I'm going to try it today and see how it goes. So okay, so I had a few parcels arrive today, so I thought I'd do a little mini unboxing on this very warm Wednesday afternoon. First one is Lily Lolo. So I did go and pick up a full size of the Wikiki bronzer because I really wanted it. Obviously I got the sample, I played it a few times now, and I've been wearing it a lot. I'm wearing it now, I really enjoy it. So I thought, well, let's finally pick a big one up. But the actual reason I went onto the Lily Lolo website in the first place is because they brought out a new product which I was keen to try, and that is a cream illuminator. Now, this formula is anything like their blushes. I'm really excited. They only did have 2 shades, which I thought was a bit not that great. This one is Afterglow. This is the lightest one. I want to say Brilliance is the other one, which is slightly deeper. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It's quite golden, but there was a review saying, I know someone reviewed it on the website saying they're quite fair and this works absolutely fine for them. So I'm intrigued to play with it. I think champagne shades, especially for summer, are really pretty. So I'm looking forward to trying this, and there will be a video of me testing this, so don't worry. About to show you the second parcel, and I got a message from Jamie because he cycles and trains it from home. And he's had a bit of a nightmare with trains recently. They keep being cancelled and delayed, but he's just messaged me saying he's left his helmet in a plant pot at the station near his work. So he's going to be helmetless cycling home, which isn't great. And obviously he's going to have to hope that that is there to... Oh, he's working from home tomorrow. And he's working from home Friday. Well, he may need to get himself a new one ASAP, but I just saw his message come through. Oh dear. Okay, second parcel is Naturissimo. Now, the reason I placed this order is I'm running low on the Q&A oat milk cleanser. So I wanted to pick another ones up, and they were having a 25% off summer sale. So I did pick up a few more products. I think I spent 30 quid overall, so I didn't go crazy or anything like that. If I can get into it, guys. So apart from the oat milk cleanser, everything else is stuff I haven't tried before, so I'm intrigued. So yeah, I said oat milk cleanser. Oh, I got a face kind of scrub. This is, I don't think it's pronounced Jason because obviously it's got the umlauts, but this is an apricot scrubble. Face wash and scrub, brightening, deep cleans, polishes with apricot oil and walnut powder. Powder. So I thought I'd give it a go. Then I picked up the Welelda Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. So this removes makeup, waterproof makeup from face and eyes. So I'm intrigued to try that because I needed like a new oil-based one to take off the makeup. And then this was only £10, so I picked up Madara. This is the Icon set, so it's got 4 many of their bestsellers. We've got, what have we got in here? Micellar Water, Exfoliate, a Moisture, and then a Beauty and Protect. Oh, it's CC cream. So yeah, 50ml micellar water, a brightening 5% AHA peel mask, a SOS Hydra Recharge cream, and then City CC cream SPF 15. So I thought I'd pick it up, give it a go. I haven't tried too much from Madara. Obviously I got the toner from them, but apart from that I haven't really tried too much else. So I thought I was intrigued and I'd give it a go. So just a few products I thought I'd share with you. So I'm excited to try the Illuminator, definitely, and I will get a video on that. But yeah, right, I better crack on, make some dinner and my lunch for work tomorrow, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, it's a couple of days later, so I thought I would wrap up this vlog. Apologies, it hasn't been the longest of vlogs again. I'd say we didn't do too much, but we actually did. We went camping twice, so there are videos already of that up, so if you haven't seen them, I'll link them down below. But it's mainly DIY, chilling in the sun, which was quite nice. Nice to have a bit of nice weather. So yeah, I just thought I'd wrap this up. July will hopefully be, we're doing a few things in July, so hopefully a bit more to the vlog. Doing a bit more DIY and stuff like that, so that's to come. And I've decided to do a bit of a challenge on this channel and post every single day in July. Now I'll have my 2 main videos, hopefully, but then the ones in between will be shorts. I just thought I'd do a mix of things. Some could be just my skincare routine, some will be like my favourites, testing, quick testing new products. Kind of a range of things. I'm going to test out a few other things, a bit of lifestyle stuff. I thought A, would be quite fun to set myself a challenge, and B, test out some other content that I haven't really done to see if you like it. So that'll start on the 1st of July. I've already kind of prepped the first week, so I'm kind of a little bit ahead of myself. I still need to film the main videos for that first week of July, but the shorts are ready to go. Yeah, I thought I'd make something a bit different. So I hope you enjoy. Like I said, hopefully a few more fun things happening in July. If you're not following our joint channel, if you wouldn't mind taking a look. And like I said, there's a couple of camping trips up. We're going to be doing kind of renovation video this weekend. And then also it's on the 16th of June, it would have been a year since we've moved into this place. And moved into our first house. So we were going to do a video of like a 1-year update of what we've done renovation wise, what's still left to do, and things like that. So that might be quite interesting for you. If you wanted to, I'll link it down below as well, the channel, so that you can get, if you want to watch those kind of videos. But yeah, plenty of makeup content to come. Like I said, try and challenge myself in July, hopefully it'll be fun. But I hope you all had nice Junes and enjoyed the sun. I know it was a little hot at points, but it's nice to actually finally get a bit of sun in the UK. But I hope you're all well. Leave any requests for future videos down below. Any ideas for shorts or new content ideas, let me know as well. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video.